Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Genshin Impact. If you don't know what Genshin Impact is an action roleplay game developed and published by MiHoYo. This game features an anime-style open-world environment and an action-based battle system using elemental magic and character switching. So let's get started. But firstly, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider doing so because we upload similar videos like this every day. So be sure to get notifications every time we post a new video. Firstly, open up a browser. Then in the search bar, type in Genshin Impact. Soon as you do that, you can see the first option. Click on it. Then click on official site. Now you have landed in the official website of Genshin Impact. Now to create your account, click on the human icon, then click on register now. Now the register panel of Genshin Impact has opened. You can start off by typing in your email address. Enter your email address. Now in the second box, there is an option called send a code. You'll need to click on this. But firstly, you'll need to verify this. Now a verification email will be sent to your email address. You'll need to paste the verification code here. Now after that, create a new password, but make sure your password must be at least 8 characters long. Again, pre-confirm it. Now after you're done filling in this information, click on register. But if you want, you can also sign up using these services. Now click on register. As you can see, you have successfully created your account of Genshin Impact. So that's how easily you can create an account for Genshin Impact. If you guys like this video and found this video to be helpful, do leave us a thumbs up and we will be soon back with more videos such like this. Thank you for watching.